Hey, I'm Emma Magenta. I'm back talking about medication for ADHD women. In my last video, I talked about how up until about 8 years ago, generally, drug studies did not separate out their data by sex. That means that drugs were not tested specifically on women. I want all women to be aware of that fact so that they're empowered to stop using drugs that don't work for them and look for drugs that maybe could work for them. Which brings me to the point of my video today. Did you know that ADHD drugs work for 70 to 80% of people who try them? 70 to 80%! Now, that data is not separated out by sex, so you have to take it a little bit with a grain of salt. That being said, I feel like the bigger issue for my clients, my ADHD coaching clients who are going to get evaluated for an ADHD diagnosis or who are thinking about whether or not they want to try meds, one of the issues that all too rarely comes into play is that ADHD drugs work for a lot of people. This data comes from a huge meta-study from 2018 that studied adults, adolescents, and children. I'm going to put a link to the study in the comment. If you want to follow along as I discuss more ADHD myths and facts, I encourage you to give me a follow.